overwhelming, and I second guess the way that I feel, but you guys make me feel supported, and you guys all make us feel that we have a huge community behind our back. And I just want to say thank you guys all so much for coming and supporting my sister Nikki. And we all know we want to try to stay as hopeful as possible, but I know in my heart that she's not here anymore, but that doesn't mean that the search has to stop. Please keep sharing my sister's story because we need justice for my sister. We want to make sure that my sister's found. The people that are responsible know where she is, and I know that you guys know that the people that are responsible need to come forward. But I just want to let you guys know we are so thankful and so proud to come from such an amazing Mienh community. But not only just the Mienh community here in Redding, but we have the Mienh community in Sacramento, the Mienh community in Oakland, Richmond, and all the way up from Seattle, Sacramento. All these areas, we feel so supported, and that's just what makes us get by day to day because of all of your guys' support and your kind words.
And I did say this before, Nikki loves Mienh events like this. So please, everyone, have so much fun, enjoy yourselves, dance. That's what she would like today if she was here, if we knew where she was. And also, adding on to what Chloe said, we so much appreciate our union, our Shasta County, our community that has been so supportive in finding her for this cause. And thank you for when we traveled. I know I met a lot of people who are not from Redding. And please do continue your sharing of her story, sharing of the posts, sharing with your friends. We have flyers as well. When you go back home, please take some with you and post them up in your area for those of you out of town, and even in Redding or Cottonwood, Shasta Lake City.
Hello, bang on hoi, bùi bùi yết xuống miền mùa tỏi. Ta sẽ tòn như bùa sẽ hiểu Nikki Cheng ồ, nì tao bùi nhẹ ưu miền nhẹ dìa, tình lai mình, kinh khờ liên hải nín, nô thấy dàn lõm bọt nín, nhẹ khờ liên thảo nín phật chuối chăm hoang tỏi. Yếm bà hoi điên hà,วันที่17 bà hà chập xiếtว่าโอ ý xin nhị chập phêว่าnín sẽ đua tình lai mình thấy dàn lõ, nhẹ lón kênh bọt. Hà ta hiếu tu hành nhung na thô mà bùa hiểu ồ. Đua nó bùa nhẹ lệ hồ tàu yếm nái, phía dòi mai chân nhẹ. Giờ đua nó bùa mai chân nhàn hải bùn tập mà hiếu tu thảo hành nhung. Đua hai thèng tu nó bùa nhẹ nòm case ồ làng chinh chăm.